Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming Windows uses the correct default playback device. This matters because Nvidia captures whatever the system reports. Once done, open Nvidia Share with Alt+Z and go to Settings Audio to enable system and microphone capture. Make sure the app you want to record is producing sound while you test. Then choose your recording format and bitrate to avoid silent files caused by incompatible settings. These initial steps ensure the capture pipeline is sending audio into the encoder. Next, inspect audio routing. Open the Windows Sound Mixer and confirm the target app's output goes to the default device that Nvidia is capturing. Then open Device Properties and disable Exclusive Mode to prevent applications from blocking audio for other programs. This avoids one common silent recording cause. If you use OBS alongside Nvidia, disable duplicate capture sources or use Nvidia's desktop capture only. Test with a brief 10 to 20 second clip to validate audio arrives in the recorded file before continuing to longer sessions. To finish, update Nvidia drivers and GeForce Experience. Many audio bugs vanish with current drivers, and reinstalling fixes corrupted components. If problems persist, disable third-party audio effects and virtual audio cables that can interrupt routing. Reboot the system and test alternate output devices, headphones versus speakers, because some drivers separate streams. If you still get no sound, capture system audio only to isolate microphone versus system issues. Key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, roll back to a previous driver version that last worked and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.